Introducing the 2025 Volvo V40 Electric in stunning green. This fully loaded estate Jeep comes with all the comfort and safety features you could dream of. From heated seats and cruise control to collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, this car has it all. Plus, with stylish 20 alloys and a panoramic sunroof, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this car has been fully inspected, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive home in luxury and eco-friendly style today.